Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick kit up of my other partial that I've been wanting to finish because it's real nice. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So this partial is the one I mentioned when I showed my pink pumpkin one a couple days ago with the tea kit. It's a lovely cup of coffee with a cupcake and another cupcake and flowers. And I first saw this as a suggestion from Temu when I located that pink pumpkin partial. I recommended this one, and I just thought it was so cute because first of all, it's coffee and I love coffee, so I really love the little design of it, and the cupcake is so cute as well, and I love the flowers, so I thought, you know what, it's a good combo, I'll pick it up. And this one as well, I got it as a lightning deal, so I'll make sure to put the price here in the corner. I've done the the Temu haul of this painting, but just in case, I'll include all the information description below in case this little partial is to your liking. I do know it might take me a little longer because there is a lot of the smaller rhinestones on this painting. For example, this cupcake, as you can see, all of the frosting and all of the little wrapping on the cupcake is a whole bunch of diamonds. So it's going to take me a bit. It'll take me longer than a day because, as I've said, my pumpkin one took me a day. But this is, I'd be really pressing it to do it in a day. It's real pretty and I really like it. So, and I know it has a lot of pink, but it's so pretty and I really love the coffee. So let me put it aside real quick. And I'm going to use the same storage container that I used for my pumpkin painting. I already had this kitted up. I just fixed up the labels because the diamonds in this one are not just 1 through 8 numerical, but after that, they're in capital letters. So luckily, I would just put the labels as the letters. I put the washi tape on it because I know not every smaller canvas uses letters. So I'll make sure to be able to take off the label and reuse the container again. This container has 16 boxes. This painting has 15 colors. So woo, worked perfectly. And the way I usually do kit ups, just in case you're not familiar, I always organize my diamonds, have my scissors to open the little packets. These, thank goodness, don't need a funnel. I can just pour it in because they're really large boxes. That's why I really wanted to use this one. And this little clear box, I use it for the trash after I cut up all the little baggies. And just in case you're not familiar with the term kit up is just a term we diamond painters use for when we're organizing our diamonds to getting ready to paint. That's it. So let's start. So the first one, luckily, is number 1. And the packets in this painting have the number that is designated on the legend. So all of these first ones are all going to start with 1, 2, 3, and they're going to be in order. I was surprised that the rest of the packets also have the letters, because this painting has letters instead of, whole number sequence. So I really do like that. I don't have to, look around and worry, ooh, what was that one again? No, luckily the packets already have that on there. And this one's a really nice, when I poured it, I was like, whoa, this is really sparkly. As you can see, it's a nice silvery color, and I really like that. So all you do is just close it, and that's it. Voila, I'm a big fan of that. And I don't know why I have a magnet here. I just noticed that, sorry. And yeah, just move on to number 2. And that's why I fell in love when I first saw this storage container system, because I don't have to use any kind of funnels or anything. I just pour them into the boxes because since they're so large, I'm a big fan. I could just, pour them and that's it. I ordered this through Temu, the painting as well. So I'm really looking into the Temu site, see if I can find the same kind of storage container, but in a larger number, not just 16. If I can find one at least around 30 range, I wouldn't have a problem. Sorry, that sounds bad. I would really prefer it because then I can use it for my larger paintings. And that's why I've been searching, but I haven't found any that's 30. And I think it's because the container that's holding it, I think it's only limited to just be able to hold 16. because I've taken all of this containers, sorry, out of the large ones, so it makes sense why it only 16 can fit in them. The boxes are large, unless they make a really big version. Or it could be, if there is a large number one that I can find, it could be a different kind of container that's going to hold all of the boxes. That kind of makes sense, because I've seen some of the storage units Temu sells, and some of them kind of it's kind of like a caddy, and it'll have a bunch of these kind of, not these specifically, but kind of larger boxes organized in them. Of course, they're not in, wonderfully organized in this fashion. But they do fit in the caddy, and I believe they're around 30 that I've seen. Never seen anything bigger than that. Unless I really go into the rabbit hole and see if I can find one. That'll be surprising, and it's around 60. So, but I haven't seen any in that style. So stay tuned if I'm able to locate that. Even more of a bonus if I find it on a lightning deal. So I'll be excited about that. So now I am on number 5. You see how quickly it is just to kind of just open little packets and pour them. And you don't have to worry about it. And that's it. Ooh, I really like that purple color. That's pretty. So I am happy to announce. Oh my goodness, I am so happy to announce. I completed my Halloween kitty painting from Diamond Art Club. And it's the painting I was doing for Drills and Chills. For the month of, well, I guess you can say fall, because it started back in, was it before October? September. Yeah, it is. Sorry, I have to count with my, I don't know, I'm on. And and so I had 2 months to work on the canvas, but since especially if you're returning viewers, no, I have a whole bunch of canvases I'm currently working on, because Rosie thought it was smart to try to complete so many. Because I was so excited to kit them up and start them. And then I would see another one, do it again, start another event, didn't finish the event, start another event. So it accrued, and I have so many paintings that I'm trying to complete. I want to complete at least, majority of them are Diamond Art Club. And they're majority premium paintings. Because a lot of my events that I was participating this year, at the end of this year, they were requiring licensed paintings. So that's why a lot of my paintings that I'm trying to finish are from premium companies. Majority of them, the 3 companies I usually purchase from is from Diamond Art Club, Dreamers Design, and Bella Art. My goodness, I love Bella Art. I love a lot of their art. And that's why I've been kind of making a list of everything I'm hoping I can locate. Since I know Diamond Art Club is I found out they have Black Friday deals. I don't know, because as I've probably stated a whole bunch of times, this is my first year diamond painting. So I haven't gone through the whole Black Friday deal event during that time. So I'm real excited about it. So I've been making a list of items I want to purchase. And Bella Art is one company that I've been looking at. Because there's one specific painting, that I really want. So I'm really hoping that whatever deal they have, I'll be able to get that painting during the deal. My goodness, I'm already reserving everything I want to purchase. And the event hasn't started. And I'm really sorry. And I am on letter A, which would be number 9. If you think of it numerically, it's this beautiful blue. When I first saw it, it's such a pretty aquamarine blue. I'm super excited because I haven't figured out where this blue is going to go in the painting. Where is this blue going to go in the painting? So I'm looking at the painting on the side, because the majority, as you all saw, was brown and pink and green because of the flowers. The blue is kind of random, but it's so pretty, and I like that. And apologies, I segued a bit. So yeah, so stay tuned for that post-review video of that painting and a D-kit. I'll be honest, I know that video is going to be kind of long because the Diamond Art Club diamonds, since I do I save my spare drills, I don't have a lot of Diamond Art Club diamonds saved. Temu is the largest number of diamonds I have saved. So I know that video is going to be a little long because I'm going to have to create a whole bunch of new cards and all of that for the different numbers of all the diamonds. So I'm really excited though, because I do want that little storage box I have to kind of fill up, just so I can have a backup of a lot of the diamonds that I have, especially for Diamond Art Club. Because I had actually, that's the company I have the most premium paintings with, so I kind of want to be able to reserve, sorry, not reserve, save enough extra diamonds in case I'm ever short in the future. So I stopped pouring because I wanted to show these diamonds. They're so pretty. I've never seen this style before. They're so pretty and they're so pink. But I love the opalescent kind of effect on it. As you can see, it kind of has a little pearl shine to it. I really like these. It's really cool. The next one is really neat, and you'll see it. When I first saw it, first of all, I love the color. It's a really dark magenta color. Sorry, these boxes I haven't opened, so that's why you see me struggling opening them a bit. Is because they're still kind of tight. That's kind of struggling a bit. It's beautiful diamond shaped, but it's a nice magenta color I love. So let me cut it real quick. Whoop! I think these go on the flowers, I believe. Yeah, it does. I wanted to check where they went specifically when I first saw them. As you can see, I love how they all fit in the box. Really beautiful magenta color. As you can see the shine on it. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Ooh, I cannot wait to work on this one. And I decided to kit this one up, even though, as I just stated, I have a whole bunch of paintings I want to finish. It's kind of how I did, for the same reason I did for my pumpkin painting. I just want something quick on the side, just to kind of, you know, reset my eyes and just kind of give me a break on my really large paintings. Now all of my paintings are really large and I'm trying to finish. And it's kind of a good breather that, you know, try to look at something else other than, you know, whatever you're currently working on. That's how I see it. That's how that's how my brain actually works. And as you can see, it looks like a nice little diamond. Well, these are diamonds, aren't they? And more of a raindrop shape, as you can see. Oh, these are so pretty. I love when I get these. I have some in blue too. I got them from another partial painting I've done. So yeah, so stay tuned this week. It might be tomorrow that I'm uploading that video, but it's because I really need to, not tomorrow, sorry, Wednesday? Well, it'll be later this week. I need to actually sit down and organize the recording, because since I know it's going to be a long video. I know that it's going to take a bit to record and to organize, and I just want to make sure I have everything organized. I was thinking of trying to do a lot of the things ahead, but I don't like anything. Ooh, these are so pretty. I didn't see that blue before. Again, where does the blue go? I am curious how it's going to come out. And yes, so stay tuned for that. As I said, it's going to be a long video, so I just need to organize and make sure I have the time to record it. Because whenever I record videos, I do them in one shot. I've only done it twice, I believe. That I do one section and stop and then come back the next day and do the next section. I have no idea why. I'm not a fan of that. I try to do one shot, that's it, edit, post it, end of the story, on to the next video. Because I love just, you know, getting ahead and trying to finish everything. I've never seen this kind of green color. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's that really pretty shape I like. And voila, that's it. That was the end of it. As I said, it's really quick whenever I can use this storage unit. I'm going to put this aside. And I always try to recycle all of the little plastic bags, because that's so much that waste that you get from opening little packets. But I do really try to make sure to recycle them. And these are all the diamonds. Let me just close all of this. They're so pretty. I love turning them so you can see them. But since these aren't really that full, you can't see them too well. But you can see them from this part. So pretty. Oh my goodness, they're all sparkle. I can already see what the painting's gonna look like. I'm actually gonna probably start it today. Since I finished that event painting, I do not have any other event. Well, I did have another one, but I can kind of try to complete it, but I'm not too sure I'm going to move forward with it, because I do love the painting. It's just I really wanted to finish that Halloween cat painting, because I want to put it on my wall for the month of November as well. November, I'm not too sure. I know there's one event that's going to start for December, which is Jingle Drills. And it starts off in November. So that's the other event that I'm only thinking of doing. But yeah, I'm going to take a break because, oh my goodness, I've done so many events this year. Sorry for the segue. I just wanted to mention that. But yeah, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to see if I can work this one up quickly. But I can promise you it will not be a day. With all of the detail on it, it's going to take a while. But yeah, that's it. And as I said, for the painting and for everything I used today, I'll make sure to put it in the description below, in case anything you've seen today will work out for you whenever you wish to kit up. Really a small painting for yourself. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me an opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings and kit ups we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.